Leave My Wives. Eric Omondi warns Ringtone against destroying his upcoming show. The East Africa social television it is. Please subscribe to our entertainment news channel. Eric Omondi's wife material was the subject of criticism by most people, especially after his disclosure of staging the show. Season 1 was a success, and it was perfectly executed by the president of comedy. After the first season, not everyone was happy, as some believed Eric was misusing the women, without marrying any of them eventually. Gospel artist Ringtone could be seen a couple of times threatening the progress of the show. He even offered each contestant KSH 100K to quit the show. Of course, none of that was taken into consideration. On another occasion, Ringtone promised to award anyone who would burn down Eric Omondi's house, where the show was being held. He termed it as Nyumba ya Charity. Anyway, Eric Omondi's wife material season 2 has had many controversies, which climaxed into dissolution of the program. Now, he already has plans underway for premiering season 3, where he's planning to have women from more than 3 countries. Additionally, he has claimed that he's keen on securing a wife this time, owing to the fact that he's getting old. Eric Omondi's warning. He has now warned Ringtone against disrupting his show in any manner. The president will always support good music. Huakijana akona a higher calling and a gifting from above, shida tu ni a wachain na mababizang am about to bring some of the most beautiful women in this continent to Kenya from Ethiopia, Rwanda, South Sudan, and Nigeria. Bwana Chairman Tafet Halai Yosawafaji because this time lazima nipate wife. Naomba folded hands. Ringtone responded to Eric by saying that this time, he has no interest in Eric's women. Mine brother am no have business in steal your women. So what do you think about Eric Omondi warning Ringtone against destroying his upcoming show? Comment, like and share. Remember to subscribe up to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell so as to get notified immediately every time we upload a video. Thanks for watching the East Africa Social Television.